Alright, we're back with more actually. And I was coming into the kitchen to get my coffee, and then I looked into my cup and then I found that there is a bug inside of my coffee. It looks like a moth. A moth flew into my coffee and he drowned. And we have some ingredients here. We have butter and mustard that we're gonna mix into that soda over there. So I'm gonna just let it rest here. Okay. And just positioning. There we go. All right.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So which are we gonna mix first? Into the soda. But first I have to drink this moth coffee. Oh man. It has like something like juice, moth juice, like floating on the top.
Yes, so
Okay.
we will see if you finish.
Still the same. I'm just gonna take it out because ew.
Then more juice is still in.
There's still moth juice everywhere.
It's small everywhere, so you must drink it like that.
Pieces of moth juice. Alright, so let's start to mix.
Okay, you first up.
The what?
You first.
Me first. Okay, guys, I have a video timer here so that we can time the length of the video. Okay, put the mustard inside of the soda.
Not much.
Not much, yes. Just wanna.
Oh, well,
This is actually
tomato sauce.
tomato sauce and mustard that are mixed. Oh, look at that!
No.
It just floats around in there. Oh my God! How are we gonna dissolve it? Oh man! It's not dissolving at all. Oh.
Okay.
It's just a piece of mustard tomato sauce that just floats around in the glass.
Yes.
Okay, now we're gonna take some butter. I have to. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna use this on the cap. And I hate caps because that's where all the old things are at. That's.
Some butter.
I'm gonna
Flora.
take some more Flora butter. Oh man, that pepper is still burning me. Okay. Look at that. Butter and mustard tomato sauce. It's ketchup and mustard and mixed into one thing, and then butter. Oh crap. I'm gonna put that in there. Ah, it's all coming off my finger. Oh man.
Okay, let's.
Just gonna.
Oh.
Oh my God, it smells like crap. What does it smell like?
It smells like cheese, old cheese.
Old cheese.
Cheese.
Old cheese.
Really? It does.
No, it smells like granadella cheese.
Oh, great. Did you get that?
Okay, so we're gonna. Oh my word.
Oh, I'm not up for this one.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the things. Butter,
Everything that
ketchup, mustard, everything. Oh,
now it looks like cool drink.
it's starting actually to look like buttery cool drink because that is what it is.
Yes.
Plus,
so
there's ketchup mustard. Okay,
So
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna swallow it.
3, 2, 1. Oh, the scratch ones also. How does it?
That thing is dominant inside. It tastes like, at first it tastes like garlic when I, oh my god, nope, no. You know, when I put it in my mouth, I thought, whoa, but this doesn't taste bad, and just when I have that thought, I said, oh no. Okay, now here you go.
Okay. I don't think that at all. Garlic. Gross.
Why does this taste like garlic? It's just, what? Hot dog sauce. It's just ketchup and mustard. Why is it tasting like garlic? I'm gonna go in for another one.
Yeah, me also. You look like a monster, you know.
Oh my word. And I have some pieces of moth juice or oil or whatever still like floating around here.
Yeah.
Look.
Gross.
You know what? If you have to put butter in coffee, it would be nice.
Yeah.
Do you know that?
Taste.
It's like cream. And if you put it in coffee, it's not gonna be good for, you know, your health, but it's gonna taste good.
Yes.
You know what? Good. This was not even in the list, you know, to put butter in my coffee.
But I think it's gonna be the best.
Butter, I barely even know it.
Oh no.
Oh man. No, but I don't think this is gonna be bad. It's a little piece of butter. It's like cream, you know, like creaming your coffee. It's just delicious.
It
starts to look like, you know, oil drifting on top of water. That kind of look, but nah, it's okay. You know, I'm just gonna swallow that piece of butter because it's not dissolving. So I'm just gonna swallow it with the coffee, like a pill.
It's nice. It was your idea. No, my idea. You want to go to the bottle?
You think I do? I do want to, but I'm not. You know what I expected? I expected it to taste like when you eat bread with butter on it.
Yes.
Take a bite and that delicious butter and coffee. No. But when I swallowed that piece of butter and kind of flushed it around my mouth with the coffee, then I thought about the moth juice in here. When I thought of that, I said, ooh, no, I'm not gonna handle it. And I did not handle it quite.
What? A little bit of cool drink in there.
You know what? If you take one, I'm gonna take the last one.
How do you mean?
If you're gonna take a sip of it, I will. You better take a sip. If you want me to take a sip. No. Oh God, no. You're not seriously thinking about that. Why do you take a drink?
Of what?
That. Look at that. Take a drink of it. Yummy. Look, I'm gonna swallow it all.
All of it.
You wish. Alright. Now there you go. We experimented with some things, and what do you think about it?
I think it was totally nice and gross.
That does not fit well in that. Ooh. It looks fine now. I think most of those things are inside my stomach right now.
Yeah.
Alright.
I think the cat is crazy now. I think you are crazy.
Alright, see you next time.